Alright guys, last Halloween candy video for today. I'm gonna show the Kit Kat, which is ruined my pickup video. They had these last year as well, but I'm glad they brought them back. Snack size, which in full detail right there. A cauldron. I'm gonna put these in the fridge. They're not melted, but in case they melt with the heat. No, I just want nothing. Here's the actual packaging. And the Witch's Brew Kit Kat with the cauldron on it. Oh, I'll get that right now. Here's the actual Kit Kat. Taste test. Pretty good. Just like how I remember. Sorry about the talking in the background. Pretty cool, guys. Go pick these up at your local Walgreens, guys. If your Walgreens has candy right now. Like, subscribe, comment, share, okay, guys. More videos crawling to you soon. Peace out.